So my salary in American Express CTC is of 15 lakhs. So after having a discussion representing myself to the director, so they offered me 30 lakhs as a CTC and 35 lakhs worth of ESOPs.
35 lakhs worth of stock ownership.
Yes, sir.
Wow. So that's a 4x package.
Frankly speaking, yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. सर बट एक चीज मैं जरूर बोलना चाहता हूँ, जब मैं आपका पहला बार जो मीटिंग इनवाइट मेरे को आया उस समय जब मैं सोचा है कि आप जो बोल रहे हैं इज इट जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर पर्सन हु ऑलवेज मोटिवेट अस. आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू योर क्लासेस देन आई अंडरस्टूड दैट नो, दिस इज लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट. सो आई हैव टू अटेंड द क्लास एंड आई हैव टू टेक द ट्रेजर फ्रॉम यू, द हिडन ट्रेजर, द अननोन ट्रेजर. मैं आपको धन्यवाद बोलना चाहता हूँ मेरे हृदय से that I have robbed some treasure from you by paying some peanuts.
Namaskar, how are you?
I am feeling very good and I am feeling very happy also.
Wonderful. I'd seen your note and I just wanted to congratulate you on the success, and I also wanted to know what this new role and the scope is all about.
सब आपका आशीर्वाद की वजह से सर.
That's very gracious of you.
Actually, you hold our hand the time when you have given us the training. Frankly speaking, just as an elderly person or just like a senior person to guide us in what way to succeed in the life. This is a basic red diamond army that I have joined in the course. So the ikigai, that concept which you have explained to me, what you can be for and what you are good at, and whether you are paid for the thing what you are working for.
Right.
So these three things really pitched me, even though that is a time which I'm taking tablets and consuming medicines, lying down on the bed. I took your class and heard everything what you're saying. These three things pinched me. And that is the time of COVID.
Okay.
My whole family got affected with COVID. Even at that point of time, the day one when I attended your introduction class, it really impressed me. So this is what I'm looking for. So even though I'm having 15 years of experience, I'm lagging behind. The designation what I'm looking for, I'm not going to that position. So even though some of the concepts which you have said in your training, even though I know, but I don't know how to implement those.
So Hari, just tell me quickly, what city are you speaking from and what industry have you been in?
Sir, I am in banking industry. From the past 15 years, I'm there in banking. I'm having almost except investment banking, I'm having experience in all the other banking domains. So as of now, I'm calling from Bangalore.
Okay.
So basically, I am in American Express. I'm a manager.
Okay.
After attending your training, a new hope came in me, and I implemented some of the things which you said in the training. So with the help of those trainings, even the letter which you posted as stating the way you are supposed to represent yourself to when you have I'm just the example which was given to us is you have wrote a letter to Big Bazaar MD. हाँ, उसके वजह से मेरे को I read that once or twice at the time of training. After that I never opened, but it left a lot of impression on my mind how to represent ourselves. So all these concepts which you have taught us at the time of training, I implemented in my life. So even though I'm a manager, one of the manager in American Express, after implementing all these things, the training which was given to us, all of a sudden I got a call from one of the company from HR stating that why don't you attend for an interview. So I attended the interview. My interview started in 2021 from Ganesh Chaturthi. It went up to Diwali.
Okay. So from August to November.
Yes.
Okay.
So they took 8 rounds of interview, not one round, 8 rounds of interview.
Okay.
And the final round happened face to face with the managing director. She's a CEO and the co-founder in the Leela Palace. Just we thought it is at 10-15 minutes. But
Leela Palace Airport Road.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So it went up to more than an hour. So I didn't expect that kind of package they will be offer me. But one question, what you taught us in Ikigai, what you are paid for. So that reminded me to ask one more question to my CEO. So my salary in American Express CTC is of 15 lakhs. So after having a discussion representing myself to the director, so they offered me 30 lakhs as a CTC and 35 lakhs worth of ESOPs.
35 lakhs worth of stock ownership.
Yes, sir.
Wow. So that's a 4x package.
Frankly speaking, yes. It's excluding my package, excluding my 30 CTC. They have given me 35 lakhs of stocks.
Correct. So you've gone from 15 lakhs to a total package of 65 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. I am so happy to hear that, Hari, because, I can tell you when somebody surrenders and applies these principles and applies them together as a system, they make this kind of a difference. And I can tell you, I have just been an instrument in your journey. The hard work belongs to you. So I want to congratulate you. I can understand what this might mean for you and for your family.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. But one more thing, the letter which you have posted to us, it really made a lot of impression on me. At one point of time, I got a mail from the HR that we are dropping your application. We don't want to proceed with this application no more. So then immediately I drop a WhatsApp message to HR. So the way to represent myself. So HR turned back to me and immediately she said that tomorrow you're having one more round of interview with co-founder. I didn't expect that these people will return back to me stating that I will have the final round of interview. That really impressed me a lot, the way, the amount which I spent for your training. Then at that point of time, I realized that it is nothing. It's a peanuts for me. After realizing what is the importance of this training, then I came to understand, मैं इनको क्या दिया, मेरे को ये क्या दिलाया. उस समय मेरे को आप ही याद आया कि okay, his training really did a lot to me.
Right. So you were a level 2 student, right? आपने level 2 भी join कर लिया था?
ना सर, join नहीं हुआ. उस समय मेरे पास थोड़ा सा because of COVID, whole family got affected and some amount got burdened to me. So it bit a lot of disturbance both in family wise and financial wise. So that's why I'm unable to join your second class.
Right. So you ran your own implementation, and I can tell you, I don't think there is a single stock on the Indian stock market that provides the kind of return that you have been able to generate from the training.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
It was very encouraging for me to hear that they were not going to proceed with your application, but you used the elements from that letter that you saw in the training and were able to revive your candidacy. And look what it led to.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Well, Hari, I want to tell you, I have one more gift for you, which is level 3. So level 3, I'm going to ask Manish to give you access to level 3, because level 3 really shows you how to onboard in a manner where you can plant deep roots so that you can apply this system again and create further acceleration from here. So he's going to give you access to that as well. But wonderful speaking to you. And if there's anything else that I can help with, please let me know. I'm just an email away.
I always glad to have your support. If I'm where I'm getting stuck, surely I will take your help, because there is one more point which made me so much encouraged. You said that you can help us in getting placed in across other countries also, because that is one of my dream. So which I'm unable to fulfill. I'm thinking that should also be get fulfilled with the help of your hand.
Absolutely. See, I was just speaking to one of our students. His name is Rakshit, and he was able to generate 2 offers in the US using the methodology of the approach letter. One is with a company called Novaloop in California, and the other one is with a company called Alcoa in Indiana. He's a process engineer in the plastics industry.
Okay,
And
sir.
I was just speaking to him 2 days ago, where his salary here was 24 lakh rupees per year, and the salary he's got there is 1.1 CR.
सर मेरे को आपका आशीर्वाद फिर से चाहिए उस तरफ का जॉब मिलने के लिए.
Zarur ji, please understand, Hari, this is just the beginning. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now that you have understood the power of the SPT system, the
Yes.
model, this is something that you are going to use repeatedly. And as
Thank you,
you
sir.
use it over every performance cycle, the acceleration that it is going to create in your career is going to be very profound.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. बट एक चीज मैं जरूर बोलना चाहता हूँ. जब मैं आपका पहला बार जो मीटिंग इनवाइट मेरे को आया, उस समय जब मैं सोचा है कि आप जो बोल रहे हैं, इज इट जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर पर्सन हु ऑलवेज मोटिवेट अस. आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू योर क्लासेस, देन आई अंडरस्टूड दैट नो, दिस इज लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट. So I have to attend the class and I have to take the treasure from you, the hidden treasure, the unknown treasure.
See, unfortunately, there's a lot of people in the coaching industry that can market themselves well.
Yes, sir.
But if you have not walked that journey yourself, you will not be able to create the success in your students. You cannot
true,
give
sir.
something that you don't have. So
100% sir.
right.
जो मैं आपको धन्यवाद बोलना चाहता हूँ मेरे हृदय से, that I have robbed some treasure from you by paying some peanuts.
No, it's been my pleasure. I'm so glad that you were in the program, and I will let Manish know to give you access to level 3. That's a gift from our side, because my true reward is when you are successful, when you cross that finish line. So this is just the beginning, because I know that you are going to do this repeatedly and create amazing progress, promotions and opportunities for yourself in your career. And I'm just so happy to hear from you. Congratulations once again. My best wishes to you and to your entire family.
Yes, sir.
And if there's anything else I can help with, just send me an email.
I will, sir. I will take your support for 100% sure.
Lovely. Hari, it was very nice to speak to you, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your blessings, and very much happy for your blessings also, sir.
Thank you. My pleasure. Thank you.
Namaskar, sir.
All right. All the best. Bye.
Thank you, sir.